Hello everybody, just having a walk through the Oxley Common. It's very pretty. Little walk goes about 5 kilometres through these lands that get flooded during the floods which I experienced in 2011. Anyway, I am just doing this little video to tell you my experience with Rani when I did the kinesiology course with her. We did 12 days, stayed at Rani's house, had a lot of fun, did a lot of washing up, but that's something that you'll get used to if you stay there. So anyway, no, there was a lot more. There's other than the course, which I'll get to in a minute, we went kayaking, we went to the movies, we went to the Roma Street Parkland Christmas lights. I don't know, lots of adventures before, early morning ones before the course started, and sometimes some later adventures. So it was very full days and lots of fun. The course itself, my purpose for doing the course was because I know quite a few people who use kinesiology in their lives for various different reasons, and it's something that I suppose I've had a curiosity about. So I thought, well, go and do the course and see what you can learn yourself. Also, for me, it's not to use on other people specifically, but just to do self-testing. So I'm practicing that, getting better at it all the time. 12 days was very comprehensive. Rani was a really good teacher. She was very careful to make sure she understood and knew that we understood everything properly. We did a lot of practice on each section that we were learning, and we practiced on one another, but we also had Rani do work on us and we did work on her, and found out a lot of interesting things about each other and ourselves. So for me, a trait that kept coming up constantly was how gullible I am, how trusting I am. So, you know, that was pretty funny, because then when you go back through my life and you look at things that have happened, it's really because I was so jolly gullible. But other things too that came up, that they're just things that I would totally forgotten about, and areas for me to be aware of in the future. So that was pretty cool. I've got some people coming this way, so they'll wonder what I'm doing walking along here. Anyway, so I just think if you're interested in doing the course, it's well worth doing, and I would highly recommend it. So anyone interested, give Rani a call, have a look at a website. I bought the books, they're great. So you've got that support later on. You've got Rani as well to talk to later on. But definitely go ahead and do it. Live life and learn stuff you don't know. That's from me. I'm Louise Dodd. Bye.